सब एक साथ बैठ जाइए। Today is National Unity Day. How many of you know what is unity? Unity का मतलब होता है एकता, means अखंडता. We cannot be separated. So, how many of you have seen Iron Man? Okay, very good. I will tell you about the real Iron Man of India. That is none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born as Sardar Bhai Javeri Bhai Patel in 1875 in Nadia. He was a good student also. He pursued a LLB degree during his early days. He worked for the British province. Later on, when he met Gandhi ji in 1970, he was much inspired by Gandhi ji because of the Champaran movement. He was actually a true leader. The Britishers had captured some of the villagers in a village called Bardoli in Gujarat. What they had is they used to leave the taxes from the farmers. बहुत सारे टैक्सेस लिया करते थे. एक बार क्या हुआ कि उनके यहाँ पे अकाल पड़ गई थी, तो 6% टैक्स से 22% टैक्स तक बढ़ा दिया गया. So what happened is this 22% was unpayable by these farmers. So what they did is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had great leadership opportunity. So what he used to do is he just disappeared some of the farmers, and when the Britishers had gone to farmers, they were disappeared and they could not acquire the lands nor the taxes. So after that, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was also known as Sardar Ji, because he was the true leader. When the partition was happening between India and the Pakistan, so Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the main leader from India who wanted to unite the main India into one country. So main problem was to unite this 565 princely states into one country. It is not an easy task because there are so many people. Tamilians have their own language identity. Now in Northeast they have own cultural identity, and in the East also there are so many cultural identities. So what happened is Muhammad Ali Jinnah wanted to make a separate Pakistan country for Islamic people. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the main leader who made India into united. For example, there is a state called Rajasthan that was about to merge in Pakistan, but because of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he told that you will be under the control of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and the Hindus will be oppressed there. There will be Hindu minority. And Junagadh also the same thing happened, because the Hindus will be given the less privilege. In India, everyone will be having the most privileges, and they will enjoy the equal rights. Again in Hyderabad, it was about to become a new country, independent country, but Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had great forces, great command over the country. He ordered the Air Force to capture Hyderabad, and next on the Jammu Kashmir was about to become a new country. So what happened is when the new country was about to form, then Pakistan was about to capture the Kashmir. So Raja Hari Singh told that let us merge in India, so that it will become a province of India, and it will enjoy its benefits. But some of the people told that it will have 370 article also, according to which the Indians cannot buy land or anything. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel very wittily said that there will be a provision according to which 370 article can be abolished any part of time by the parliament and by the help of the presidencies. Now it has been scrapped, the 370 article. Now anyone can buy and purchase land in Kashmir. So this is what the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, contribution of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to our country. And if Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had not worked at that point of time, it would be having so many 565 countries, and from traveling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we had to take 8 to 9 visas. From traveling from Assam to Gujarat, we have to take 4 to 5 visas. India would be not called a country, it would be have a continent of so many countries. So very thanks to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for this contribution to India. So he is truly called the Iron Man of India. There is a called Statue of Unity near Ahmedabad, near Sabarmati River. So thank